Recursion is a popular programming concept where a function calls itself in its own definition. It is used in solving problems that can be broken down into smaller or similar subproblems. It also has some properties. Let me take you through them. The first one being base case, which represents the simplest scenario where the function doesn't call itself. It prevents the recursion from continuing indefinitely. The next one is recursive case, where the problem is broken down into smaller instances. It's that part of the function where it calls itself. Coming to the next property, we have the divide and conquer approach, where the problem is broken down into simpler subproblems and each of them are solved independently. The next function is infinite recursion, which means if the function isn't properly implemented, recursion can lead to infinite loops. Moving on, there is time complexity. In this, the time complexity of recursive algorithm depends on the number of recursive calls and the work done per call. Now to the last point, which is dynamic programming. Recursion and dynamic programming are closely related. Some problems solved using recursion can be optimized by storing or reusing intermediate results, leading to a dynamic programming solution. We hope you found this video informational and helpful. For more such content, do like, share and subscribe.